Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really simple ad blocker or domain blocker, just whatever. So guys, it is actually really simple. So to start you off, you just need to create a folder on your desktop and name it whatever. I just name mine ad blocker. And then you're going to have to go to your code editor, either Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code. I'm using Visual Studio Code for this tutorial. And file, open folder, and open that folder. For Notepad, file, open, it'll bring up this, find the folder and open it. So it's pretty simple. And yeah, I just tested out before I made this video, so yeah. And so you're gonna open it up, and one of the first things you do is, I did this, you don't need to, but make an icons, not bad notifications, but just make an icons folder and move all of your icons in it. And that's if you're gonna make icons for your extension. If you do, you're gonna need 3 sizes: 16 by 16, 48 by 48, 128 by 128, and name them according to the size. That's really important. And make sure their ending is .png. So I made some, so I'm just gonna move all of them into my ad block, and you'll notice that once I go here, things are here. So now you're gonna create a couple of files. You're gonna create manifest.json, and you're gonna create background.js. So both of these are really important. And I'm gonna come over to my README, which I just quickly put on my code because I know it takes me some time to type it out. And I'm just gonna quickly copy and paste it. So this goes into the manifest. So these two bracket things right here symbolize the opening and the closing. So all of your code has to go inside these two. So if you're actually going to extend it, you're going to have to go down like that, and then you can extend it. So you're going to come down here one line and come out. You're going to type in your name, and then put your name, whatever you want your extension to be called. So I'm just going to name it ad blocker. And then your description as well. So I'm going to put it as AdBlock tutorial. Yeah, that works. Version's also changeable, so you can do things like 1.0 or 0.1.0 or open beta. You can just do whatever. I'm gonna stick with 1.0 for now. Things that are not changeable are permissions, or this stuff right here. Just you don't change this. Don't mess around with it, as it's gonna break the extension. For icons, this is only gonna be in there if you have an icons thing. So if you don't, just cut that out of there. And if you don't want to have an icon, and this right here, so you see icon slash, this part is whatever your folder name is. I recommend, again, so whatever that is right there is whatever the name of your folder is. Slash symbolizes it's in the folder. And then 16 is the size. It has to be these 3 sizes, as I said. Then after the slash, this is the name of the picture, so it knows what to grab. So that's important. Now onto our background.js. It's this code right here. So the default filters are these right here, as you can see. And then this symbolizes open. This symbolizes closes. So again, you want to extend it, you have to add more lines here so that way you can add more links. I'm just gonna close it again because this is fine. All these domains are already there for you. These are a bunch of Google ads. Zdo is one of the most popular ad hosting things, other than obviously Google ads. But then Chrome, it stands for Chromium, which is Google's open source browser. So many browsers based off that. Opera, Brave, Google Chrome. I keep getting notifications, my bad guys. So yeah, there's just a lot of things based off it. Then it will just basically cancel if it gets a request. So as we can see here, it's basically done. So that's it. You just want to copy and paste this in, or you can write it. So I'm just gonna leave it up for a bit. So yeah, it's honestly not very hard to code, just a little bit of JavaScript. I was able to learn fairly quickly. And I'm going to teach you guys one quick more thing. if you guys want to add more filters, because let's say you're not trying to block ads, but you're trying to block domains, like malware domains or stuff like that. Then you wanna, and let's say you can find huge packs of domains online. And basically when you do find those packs of domains, you'll notice that a lot of times they won't just have this at the start, right? So you have to manually put that in, and that's gonna take so long going through how many domains is this. 9,543. Now, you know, people like Stephen Black, who makes huge packs, like 80,000, or the OISD list, I mean, has 400,000. So it's just so hard. But I found a way to make it just, you put it in once, and it happens to all of them. So basically, one more thing I have to tell you guys is when adding a new domain. So if I want to add youtube.com, I can't do that. I have to go with this expression. So I have to add boom, boom. Also, and watch the line it's on, because I just put it here. It won't work. It has to be right here. So you have to add this. And then this is if you're on .youtube.com. So that's obviously just if you want to do .youtube.com. So this time I'm just going to do YouTube. We'll do .youtube.com. And then now I have to do this, and the comma at the very end. So you need to put in this expression. That's obviously going to be really annoying to type in every time. So as you guys see, it turned green, so just let me get that back. Alright, so as you guys can see, that would take so long. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to hit Control 8. You have to put them onto Notepad++. It also works with Notepad. It might even work here, but I'm just going to do it in Notepad++, because this has really cool features. So you're clicking Control+H, and at the search mode, you're just probably going to be set to normal. You just want to change it to regular expression. Now you're going to type in this icon right there, and you're going to start it up with whatever's at the front. So this is what we're going to do. This, that, this. And now you're going to click Replace All, and just wait a little bit. It can take some time. As you can see, all those domains were just changed, just like that. But now we have to do the ending. So you're going to put $. Oh my gosh. And now you're going to put in / this, that, this. And click Replace All. Wait. And yeah, these are just a bunch of ad and tracking domains that I found online within one Google search. So you guys can find things really quick. So there we go. Let's close. So yeah, as you can see, that's a bunch of domains I found just like that. Just like that. It's actually so simple, guys, as you can see. But yeah, and I want to add it to my browser now. Depending on your browser, so for me it's Opera. So it'd be this Opera extensions. For using Chrome, that extensions, or you can actually just go to your menu. It's pretty simple to get to your extensions page. To add the extension, you want to turn on developer mode, load unpacked, and just select your folder, and this will pop up, as you guys can see. Just refresh it for good measure. You know, you always gotta do that. Make sure it's fully saved. So by just clicking Control S, and then you could also just save. So, and now if I try going to zdo.com, boom, www.zdo.com is blocked. Requests to the servers have been blocked by an extension. Try disabling your extensions. Which extension did that? This one. Turn it off, refresh, and I'm on the website. Which it's just appearing like this due to another ad block. But that ad block kind of blocks this. But as you guys see, it doesn't let you access any site on this block list. It will not let you access. So all of my code will be on my GitLab link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.